Okay, tell me if this sounds familiar. You boot up Valorant, the loading takes forever, and every firefight feels like you're dragging your crosshair through honey. If that's you, the problem might not be your RAM or GPU. It could be your hard drive. Today, I'm going to show you how I used 4DDIG Partition Manager to move my operating system to an SSD and how it completely transformed my gaming experience. Let's go from lag to smooth. First, here's the science. HDDs are slow. They rely on physical spinning disks. SSDs, on the other hand, have no moving parts. They're fast. Games like Valorant don't just rely on your graphics card. They also depend on how quickly your system can read and write files, load assets, and manage background processes. When your OS is still stuck running on an outdated hard drive, everything slows down. That's where 4DDIG Partition Manager comes in. This is 4DDIG Partition Manager, a powerful yet easy-to-use tool that helps you migrate your operating system, manage partitions, and even clone disks with just a few clicks. You can download it directly from Tenorshare's official website. The link is in the description. Installation is quick and hassle-free. Right at the start, you can choose your preferred language, making the setup experience smooth and accessible. Just follow the on-screen steps, and within minutes, you're ready to use the software. Here's how I move my Windows OS to my SSD using 4DDIG. First, open the software, then click on Migrate OS. Next, select your destination SSD. Finally, hit start and let it do the work. No need to reinstall Windows, no complicated BIOS settings. 4DDIG handles it all. The entire process took about 25 minutes to complete. Once it's done, simply boot your system from the SSD to instantly notice the difference. Now here's the real test. Before switching to SSD, Valorant took over a minute to launch. After migration, it started in just a few seconds. Match loading is quick and responsive. No more texture loading delays. Alt tabbing is instant. And the biggest improvement, consistent, stable frame rates. This upgrade alone made my entire PC feel brand new. 4DDIG Partition Manager doesn't stop at migrating your operating system. You can also clone entire disks or individual partitions. This is perfect if you're upgrading to a larger drive or just want to keep a complete backup of your current setup without reinstalling anything. 4dig lets you convert between MBR and GPT formats without data loss. This is super useful if you're setting up a new system or preparing a drive for compatibility with modern hardware. Managing partitions is straightforward too. You can easily resize them, extend or shrink their capacity, or even split a partition into multiple sections, all without risking your data. Delete old ones, or format them as needed. Whether you're organizing storage or creating space for dual boot setups, it's all done through a simple interface. You can create full system backups, just in case something goes wrong. It's a smart move before making big changes to your setup. Lost a partition? 4dig can help recover it, even if it was accidentally deleted or corrupted. And for advanced users or emergencies, you can create a bootable WinPE drive. This is perfect for troubleshooting or repairing systems that won't start normally. In short, it's an all-in-one disk management toolkit designed to give you total control over your storage without any technical hassle. To be honest, I didn't expect much from a partition manager, but 4DDIG really surprised me. The interface is clean, the steps are simple, and it works better than most tools I've used before. If you want to upgrade your storage or organize your drives without losing data, this is the way to go. Even if you've never touched disk management before, you'll be fine with this tool. Thanks to 4DDIG Partition Manager for sponsoring this video. If you want your games to run smoother and your PC to boot faster, check out the link in the description. If you have a discount code, enter it during checkout. Try it out and let me know how your gaming experience improves after switching to SSD.